How to upload landscape videos on Instagram Reels. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to upload landscape videos on Instagram Reels. So first thing, just head over to Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account, and when you click on this plus icon over here, you can see the reel option appearing. So when you try to upload any of the videos or reels inside your Instagram, as you can see, Instagram directly approaches this video. Currently my video is portrait one, it's not a horizontal or landscape one, so it's not appearing as a landscape. But inside, even if you go inside the edit bar or edit section of Instagram Reels, you can just tap on this edit and you can actually zoom out or crop or increase the speed or split the video like this, but you cannot change the video ratio to the landscape directly. So in that case, what I will recommend you to use is use any one of the video editing applications such as CapCut or UCut, which you find easy. And once you come over to your CapCut, you can just see the options such as aspect ratio, and you can just edit that aspect ratio like this by simply setting it to 16:9, which is a premium format for YouTube. So you can also adjust it accordingly if you don't want that one. So, and once you save it, you can easily upload this video as a horizontal or landscape videos on Instagram Reels. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.